Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to send Google Form in WhatsApp. So let's get started. So if you want to share your Google Form in a WhatsApp, so to do that what you have to do is first of all open up your forms, and after opening up your form now you just have to tap on send, and after tapping on send now you can just send this form to anyone that you want. So from here what you can do is you will find this link option. Just simply tap on the link, and after tapping on link now what you can do is just simply copy the following link, and after copying it you just have to open up your WhatsApp. After opening up your WhatsApp now what you can do is just simply select a person that you would like to send your link to, and then paste the following link and tap on send. After tapping on send now if that person taps on this link, that person will be directed to your following form that you have sent. So that's it guys, this is how to send Google Forms in WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.